Hi there. This is a video demonstration of the broken middle mouse button on my Razer Viper Mini. I've had this mouse for about 1 year-ish, and for the last 6 months it's had major issues where the middle mouse button just simply doesn't click half the time. Sometimes it registers double clicks, sometimes it ignores clicks. It's just a pain to use and it makes it unusable in games. So let's get to it. Alright, so on the screen I've got mouse test. Got the mouse right here, as you can see. Let me go into the window. So as you can see, left button works, right button works, left button works. Scroll up, scroll down work, side buttons work. But if I go to press the middle mouse button, it works now. But sometimes, right now, it's not working. Okay? No longer clicking. Left works, right works, back, forward work, up, down, but middle mouse does not click. I'm now clicking middle mouse a million times. Oh, works sometimes. Doesn't work others. See that? See that double click? Unusable. So, that's serial number. Things garbage. Better mouse.